Hi, and welcome back to R&Y Inside Learning Hub. I am Sumit Chaudhary, and you are watching the Java series. Today, we are going to learn how to create an Excel file and write data into it using the Apache POI library. In our previous videos, we have covered how to create a new Excel file, write data into it, and read data from it. Combine data in existing data in Excel file and transfer data from one file to another file using JXL library. If you have not watched those at, be sure to check them out for better understanding of today's topic. So let's dive into it. Before we get started, let's talk a bit about Apache POI library and how it differs from the JXL library. So Apache POI supports XLS and XLSX file format, which text formatting, conditional formatting, and drawing shapes. JXL only support XLS format and lack of support for rich text formatting and conditional formatting. Apache POI actively maintain an extensive documentation and example it support a wide range of Excel feature, making it suitable for complex tasks. JXL library is easier to use for basic tasks only with a smaller memory footprint. Now you can read about Apache POI library from the official website. You can get all the information and can download from here. You can download a jar file or you can get a dependency, Maven dependency for your Maven project. So for now we have a Maven project as you know, and I have already integrate all the required library. As you can see, all the required library I have already mentioned here. Okay. Maven dependency official website you can get from here. Apache POI. Okay. I will mention all the required link in a video description. Now jump into the a project and create a package Apache POI. Now the class. Now I am calling a XSSF workbook class and creating a object of the class. Now in a workbook, I am create a sheet using a XSF sheet class. Now creating a object workbook. Now we have so many method. You can see get sheet. Get sheet will help to get a sheet. Clone sheet will help to clone a sheet. Get sheet at index. So you can get a sheet according to index. Okay. So many method. For now I am using this create a sheet. Now defining. We will discuss all the method in coming videos one by one. Okay. So sheet. Sorry. Student data. Now defining some data which we are going to create in our Excel file. Then data. roll number. Here I am finding the column last, and this is a row. Okay. Now I'm creating a row using a for each loop. You're not aware how to use a for each loop, so kindly refer the previous video. Now row interface will help to uh, provide so many method. The object of the row interface sheet. Now sheet has so many method. Uh, I'm going from I'm going for create a row. Now row number will create a row according to our data. Now column number. Okay. So cell interface will provide a method to handle a row cell. Now I am creating a cell. As you can see, we have so many methods under the cell or row. Sorry. Now create column. So our column will create according to our data. Now here I am checking for integer and string value. So we will not get any error in the that cell data will help to uh, save the data in cell. Now I am creating a file output uh, class object, save our data in a file. I will provide a path of the file. So now going to create a file. Now right click on file and copy the path. Click on the path from the content root and over it the file output and add the exception for now. Can handle the exception by using a try catch. For now, I'm adding a exception. I have already covered how we can achieve the exception handling in this video. Okay. So workbook class has a write method. So write method will help to write a data in a file. Now providing a file path. uh, And write method also throw an exception. Now I am adding a exception. Okay. Now printing a method message sent us. Now run this. Have not get any issue. Wrong file. Okay. As you can see, we data successfully. And now I'm going to check our data saved or not. As you can see, our data is successfully saved. Okay. Now I'm going to add another data for you. Before run the code, please close the file so you will not get any error. I will show what kind of error we will get if we run the uh, Java code and our file is opened. Okay. Akash. Now run the file. Yeah, save. Now open the Excel file. Now as you can see, now try to run the Java code when our file is open. I will show the error. Nothing. Okay. Now I am going to run this. As you can see, we get an error and read the error. The process cannot access the file because it is being used by another user. Okay, this is a default message of the JXL library, not our. As soon as we close the file and run the code again, then our data will save. As you can see, not get any we not get any error. Now I am going to open. Now if data also saved into file. Okay. I hope you have understand the concept how we can achieve the Excel creation and write data using Apache POI library. If you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful programming tutorial. Uh, See you next time. Thanks, guys.